Hi, I am Alaina. I am making projects from Playto Lab. Today I am going to make a keyboard control robot from Playto Labs kit. Now I am going to explain the different components used in this robot car. First is this controller. Second is the light module. Third is the sound module. Fourth is the wheels. Fifth is the connecting wires and the DC motors and the board. So now let's assemble the robot car. I am going to attach the motors to the controller motor pins. The right DC motor I am going to attach to motor 2 and left DC motor I am going to attach to the motor 1. So I will attach from the light to the output 1 and the sound to the output 2. And now I am going to attach the wheels. So now I have assembled the robot car. I will explain the code which is used to control the movements of the robotic car. So when I'll press the up arrow, then these are the pins of the up arrow. If I press the up arrow, then the car will move forward. And when I'll press the down arrow, these are the codes for the down arrow, and it will move backward. And when I'll press the right arrow, then the car will move right side. And when I'll press the left arrow, then the car will move left side. And when I'll press space, then the car will stop moving any side, either right, left, front or back. When I'll press enter key, then the sound will beep, and when I'll press 1, then the light will on. So now I am going to connect the USB wire to the USB port of the controller. Now the USB wire is connected to the computer. I have connected 3 and 4 pin to the motor 1 and 5 and 9 pin to the motor 2. So now I am going to show the movement of the robot car using the arrow keys. If I am pressing the up arrow key, then the robot is going front. When I am pressing the back arrow key, then the robot is going back. When I am pressing right arrow key, it is going right. And when I am pressing left arrow key, it is going left. And when I am pressing space, then it is getting stopped. And when I am pressing the first button, then the light is coming. And when I am pressing enter, then sound is coming for some time. So this is my keyboard control car which I have made.